Alright, time to replace the AAA batteries in these Motorola FRS2A radios. And as you can see, I got the Duracells, the old ones, inside here. Let's turn it on. And it is definitely low battery. There's like 1 bar on there. Okay? So let me take these out. I'm going to show you something here real quick. Dead batteries will bounce. Watch this. See how it pops up there? Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now let's take some fresh new Amazon basic AAA batteries. Do the same thing. I'm going to do it on the positive side right here. Yeah, you get the idea. They don't bounce. Let's put these dogs in here. Three bars. Good to go. Real simple little life hack. I'll leave a link in the description below. These are great little batteries. These Amazon Basics alkaline, they last just as long as Duracell and cost about a third. You know, you're just paying for the name. So lots of reviews on these, all positive. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I got these ones already replaced here.
Breaker 19, this is the Bandit. Where's them Smokies at? Roger, over.
These are great little frickin' radios. Go a long way. Great for hunting, hiking, what have you. I've actually used these car to car a long time ago, and it was about a half mile up to a mile range. No problem. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. See ya.